Welcome to the future of mobile living. In this guide, we explore how professional aluminum LED profiles transform standard caravans into luxury retreats. As the sun sets, the right lighting becomes essential. It's not just about seeing, it's about creating an atmosphere that feels like home. The secret to professional-grade lighting lies in the hardware. Meet the aluminum LED profile, the backbone of modern camper van interior design. These profiles come in three main varieties: surface-mounted for easy installation, recessed for a flush finish, and corner-mounted for angled illumination. Every profile features a diffuser. Whether frosted or clear, these covers snap into place, softening the light and eliminating harsh hotspots. For exterior applications, we use IP65 rated waterproof profiles. These are designed to withstand the elements while keeping your campsite beautifully illuminated. Installation is a straightforward process for any DIY enthusiast. It begins with precise measurements of your mounting surface. Cutting the aluminum is easy with a fine-toothed hacksaw or a miter saw. This ensures clean edges for a professional, seamless look. Once cut, the LED strip is adhered inside the channel. The aluminum isn't just for show. It serves a vital technical purpose. Heat is the enemy of LEDs. Using an aluminum profile acts as a heat sink, drawing warmth away from the strip. This heat dissipation can double the lifespan of your lights, preventing color shifting and diode failure over time. Wiring is tucked away behind the caravan walls. Always ensure your connections are secure and follow 12-volt safety standards for mobile vehicles. Let's look at the impact. In the kitchen, under-cabinet lighting provides task visibility while hiding the light source entirely. Moving to the ceiling, recessed profiles create indirect ambient light that makes the small space feel significantly larger and more open. The bedroom area benefits from corner profiles, offering a soft glow that is perfect for reading without straining the eyes. Maintenance is minimal. A simple wipe of the diffusers every few months keeps the light output crisp and clear of dust. As night falls in the deep forest, the true value of professional lighting is revealed. The caravan becomes a beacon of warmth. With the exterior IP65 profiles, your living space extends outdoors, allowing you to enjoy the stars in comfort and safety. Whether you are building your dream van or upgrading an old favorite, aluminum LED profiles are the ultimate finishing touch. Elevate your journey, light your path with precision and style. Thank you for watching our documentary on modern caravan lighting solutions.